Working with worksheet. Inserting a new worksheet. To insert a new worksheet, follow any of the given methods. Method 1. Click on the Insert Worksheet button present right to the last tab, that is Sheet 3 tab. A new Sheet tab appears next to it. Clicking on this button each time adds a new Sheet tab next to the last Sheet tab. Method 2. On the Home tab, click on the Insert Sheet option in the Cells group. Switching between worksheets. While working in Excel, you can easily switch between the worksheets. Click on the Sheet tab that you wish to open. Renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, do as follows. Right-click on the Sheet tab to be renamed. Choose the Rename option in the shortcut menu. The Sheet tab gets highlighted. Type a new name and press Enter key. Or simply double-click on the Sheet tab that you wish to rename. It gets highlighted. Type a new name for it and press the Enter key. Deleting a worksheet. To delete a worksheet, follow any of the given methods. Method 1. On the Home tab, click on the Delete button in the Cells group. Choose the Delete Sheet option in the drop-down list. Method 2. Bring the pointer onto the Sheet tab that you wish to remove from the workbook and right-click on it. Select the Delete option in the context menu. Notice the selected Sheet tab disappears from the workbook.